Another car fucking around day. Duke is on the washing duties. Now, every single day you wake up and there is a new car problem to solve, isn't it, Duke? Like, this grill needs to be fucking redone after we spent about a week doing it. The steering is now creaking. Sounds like a steering rack as fuck. Oh yeah. And then also, we had an issue with the broken steering lock. Not lock, but the whole fucking barrel thing. And we've changed this whole thing, but the steering wheel lock is still on, so I think we've put it around the wrong way and we can't get it out. So we're gonna have a look how to get this barrel out in a minute. Okay dudes, this is how you get the key barrel out of your Beamer. Pretty much all early E models. My mechanic couldn't get it out, shame on him. But basically, when it's in there, you have to line it up with these lines, kind of find the point where this little hole is lined up against this line at the side, and then you get a pin like this, kind of make it slightly kind of bent at the end. So, and then you put it like you put it. Oh shit! Doing it with fucking one hand. Oh, the phone just fell on the floor, motherfucker. So basically, you put this in there. You get this little hole in the position of this line, feel this pin going in there, and then you turn it to the left a few times, and then it will pop out. Sorry, a bit of a shit explanation, but I'll try and do a better video. Alright boys and girls, so you might get these ignition bits break in your E34, E36, etc. See, like that, and the key won't turn. So you get one of these, but sometimes basically the fixing is slightly different. See, like this on here, like this on here. So we're gonna swap the basically swap these red bits to make it fit on the E34.